Hi there, and welcome to CYBERIGS Robots. I'm going to show you this and this. This is a vintage robot, a Saturn type robot, and this is a much bigger version that was made for a shop, and I've now acquired it. But I'm going to make a few modifications. I didn't really like the front. The front was covered with the wood, just plain white wood. I'll show you that here. So I've removed that, cut that out, and we've put this it's polythene and stretched it taut, and I'll show you the back. So what we're going to do, we'll put the polythene on, and we're going to project a light from behind and make it look something like this. It's kind of just a moving image of stars, planets. We do the same thing on this one, and we've got some perspex to come in the front. So that goes over the front to protect the polythene. Now I made this simple mechanism that's going to go at the back, and it's just a relay there for flashing the lights for the eyes. There's a motor here that's going to rotate this, and there's a bulb under there which is going to shine through and shine these planets and stars onto the wall, and transformer, and that's it. It's pretty straightforward. I'll switch it on. And these are going to become the eyes. They get red lenses on the top. Right, the head's now on, and the new eyes, which are actually plant saucers, and these were yogurt pots, and they were sprayed in like a clear glass type spray, so the light will shine through. The lights are at the back now, so we're going to have a switch on and see what it looks like. Right, it's on now, and there's a motion sensor, so it triggers every time I come close. I'm not too happy about this screen. There's some white here. The stars are okay, but it needs to fill the screen properly. The eyes are good, happy with the eyes. Just need to sort this screen out. Now what I've done is I've taken apart an old Saturn robot. It got a bit of damage anyway, so it wasn't great. So I've taken him apart, killed him, and here. But I've salvaged this, and that's the original planets and stars disc that used to go around. I'm going to try and fit this in that, and we'll see what happens. Right, got the new screen in. As you can see, it's pretty much filled it. It's a lot better than the last one. It's not brilliantly in focus, but it's the original. It's the original out of the Saturn robot, so I think that'll be okay. Lights are good. Next job is to rub him down and give him another coat of paint. He's gloss at the moment, but I think it's a bit too bright, so I want to dull it down a bit, something perhaps satin or matte, and sort out these rocket launchers here, because these are silver, but I want them chrome like the original. So I've got those to sort out, and just going to do something with the feet, and it'll just about be done. I've got this chrome spray for doing these rocket launchers. Hopefully it's going to come out as chrome as the lid. We'll wait and see. one of these. Well, that's it sprayed. It's not quite as chrome as the lid, but it's a bit brighter than it was. And I've sprayed a very fine little bit of black just on the corners to give it a little bit of a weathered, metal weathered look. So I'm going to just take this masking off. Well, I've got these two bits of chipboard. You can see it's quite thick and it's quite heavy, and I'm going to add these to the feet. Just get a little bit more height, and I think it'll just look a little bit better than the feet as they are. And I've got this this rubber strip which I'm going to put around here like this. So that's these done, and I've just added some rubber on underneath there, and we'll see what it looks like with the feet. And they'll go on there like that. Just gives it a bit more height. Well, he's finished now, so let's go and take a look. It's just over here. See the screen? Got the eyes flashing there. Let's just get the light on. Okay, there we are. That's his rocket launchers done. I might add some rockets here. Done a little bit on the front there, just put some dials and some buttons. And those are his extended feet. And there he is.